Good evening to all. Here is a feedback of 6th Feb 2021 IELTS exam, and as predicted, the writing task 1 was stable and the task 2 was exactly the same, that is agree disagree. So it was in GT exam it was do you agree or disagree, but in academic it was to what extent do you agree or disagree. Firstly, let's discuss about listening. Listening was a bit tricky because, as per my student, he was like, it was not that difficult, but it was tricky. And there was no map in this listening, and mainly blanks were three words rather than one word blanks. So, overall, it was moderate, not an easy listening this time. So, now here let's talk about reading. So, luckily, my student got the same passage as he has done. Like the first passage of reading was based upon the story of coffee. So, this passage is also available online. So, you can also check the answers if you want. And second, third passages were also moderate. And overall, he has told me that it was tough. So, level of reading was tough. So now let's discuss about writing in detail. So the writing task one question was this question was related to actually the table shows the percentage of young people who were employed in different sectors in one country in 2005 and 2010. So basically it was table chart and there were different sectors, and another student who also appeared in today's exam told me that according to him there was something related to age as well, like between 16 to 24 years. So he was like that it was there, but he's not sure. But maximum student were like that the question was same, as I'm going to attach the same file with this audio. So it was very easy task, writing task 1. And the task 2 for academic, it was nuclear energy is a better choice for meeting increasing demands. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Firstly, all my students who appeared in today's exam were very happy because I told them that this is a question type which could be there in the final exam. So now let's talk about other students, that is GT students. They actually got the question, the world's most urgent problem is caused by overpopulation. Do you agree or disagree? So both questions were very easy. So overall level of writing in today's exam was very easy.